Use the graphing calculator to approximate the intersection to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to type in g of x and m of x and hit graph. Now it doesn't tell me how many intersection points we have. By just looking here, it looks like we have 1, 2, and possibly 3. So I'm going to take the windows and expand the window so I can see this better. This is what it was at before I adjusted it. I'm going to try doubling that. And now I have a better vision here. I can see there are 3 intersection points. So rounding to the nearest tenth, I can find those using the tool in the calculator that's called intersection. So I'm going to go second, trace, go down to intersect, and press enter. It doesn't matter which one you start with. First, I'm going to go down here. And so first curve just means what was the first equation we plugged in, and it was the one in blue. I know most of you don't have colored calculators. That doesn't matter. You press enter, it jumps to the next curve. I'm going to get it close to the intersection point. Press enter, and now it says guess. Go over the top of where they intersect. Press enter, and this is the first answer. Now, how do we round this to the nearest tenth? I recall from this fall, many students were able to use the calculators to achieve these answers, but weren't able to write the answer down correctly according to the directions. Rounding to the nearest tenth, I look at the 6 and behind it. Stays the same. I look at the 2 and look behind it, it bumps up. Now going back to second, trace, intersect. Use the cursors and get closer to the next intersection point. First curve, again, it just means the first equation we plugged in. It jumps to the second one. Pressing enter again, and then going over the top of where you believe they intersect. Rounding again to the nearest tenth. So I look at the 8, 6 says bump up. And I look at the 3, 6 says bump up. Second, trace, intersect. And I'm moving all the way over here to the far left as we go down. Again, first curve is first equation, second equation, and over the top. 5 is going to stay the same, and 0 is going to bump up to a 1.